so cold, I'm so cold. You got me out here.
I've been taking on all this baggage.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Dorsanee hair. This is a 4x4 is what it's stated as, but I really think it's a 5x5 closure wig. This is a kinky straight texture, 26 inches, and it is full, very, very full. And this is the inside of the unit and how it is made. This is why I said I think it's a 5x5 and not a 4x4. It looks a little bit bigger. The hair does not come pre-plucked. It comes pre-plucked just a little bit, but I really wouldn't consider it pre-plucked, honestly, because I had to go in and add additional plucking if you really wanted to make it look as natural as possible. All the product details will be in my Amazon storefront if you guys want to see what I'm using, all the products or hot tools that I use. I also am using this e.l.f. Halo Glow foundation. This is my exact shade. I like to use this when I'm doing a light makeup look. I'm using this for my lace because I feel like it's going to give me more of a melt. I've been having trouble with matching my skin tone exactly lately, and I've just been trying different products to see if I can get a better overall look. The way your lace looks in the light versus how it looks outside of the light is very, very different, y'all. I really feel like we should stop trying to match our lace to the light. Transparent lace gives an ashy look. As soon as you get away from a big LED panel, usually your lace looks too dark. I'm gonna go ahead and get into this install. I am gonna be doing some plucking on camera for you guys for me customizing this a little bit. I didn't want to do nothing too crazy, just add a little bit more customization so it looked a little bit more natural. I really, really like this hair a lot. I love kinky straight textures. It did not tangle for the most part. It really just feels like natural hair. It's soft. I did not bleach the knots on this unit at all. They are so small, it's really not necessary. You can if you want to, but I honestly didn't do anything. I just tinted the lace and put this wig on. We're going for a very natural look. I'm going to be running my flat iron through it for a nice silk pressed blowout look. You know, it's not going to get but so straight because this is a very, very thick texture unless you go in super, super small sections. But stay tuned to keep on watching the full videos to see the end result of this style. I am going to be doing everything on cam today. So yeah, if you're not already subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button for me and leave me a comment in the description box below on some new video ideas you guys want to see from me. I know I'm overloading y'all with the hair content lately, you know, but your girl got to get to the bag, okay? So let me know if you guys want to see some other stuff. I had someone say like day in the lives or what I eat, vlogging, and I'm down for that. I would love to do some other little things for y'all or makeup content, whatever. Like, I'm really down for whatever. So yeah, just let me know.
you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Baby, more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe. I'm so glad that I can have this, baby. Nobody else true. Nobody else made this move. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. The right amount of love, right amount of trust, right amount of dick. Right amount of slapping me up, think that I'm going to fit. Right amount of play, right amount of talking to me. Oh, yeah, yeah. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body. My body feels that I got you to know. We'll never fall out of love. You. I don't wanna fight, I don't wanna fuss. Baby, I'm trusting you, I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life, you. I'm trusting you, babe. I want this, I want this to work out so bad. But I feel it in my chest at night. I want that, I want that, yeah. We'll never fall out of love with you. You.
Closure wigs, I saw on TikTok a little hack is to pull out your natural hair if you have your hair out. If you wear your wigs with cornrows underneath, then you probably can't do this, but I always wear my hair in a bun for the most part, so I just pulled out a little bit of my natural hair around the track, and also where my ear is, like where my, like that little corner part. It just looks a lot more natural over top of the closure wig, so it doesn't look like when the wind blows your hair back that you just have a wig and bald edges. So yeah, also if you use oil sheen for your lace, it'll get rid of that ashy look. Just a little quick tip for you guys.